And it goes a little something like
hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to show you guys this gel that I found that I used to do a wash and go. So I unintentionally was recording because where my desk and all my products are situated, I don't have a mirror there. So I normally use my phone or my husband's phone to look at my hair while I am doing it as my little quote-unquote mirror. So as you can see here, I am just detangling my hair and passing the gel through my hair using my fingers to kind of rake it through. My hair was dry and I had my hair in 2 cornrows, so I just pulled that out and started doing this. Like I say, I unintentionally record, so just don't mind the quality of the video, but I just wanted to show you guys how my hair came out. And as you can see with that first section that I did, the curls were popping, and this style lasts me about 5 days. I want to say I had it in for 5 days, and the hold was amazing. It said it was a level 9 hold, and I believe it. So as you can see, I'm just going through my hair in little sections and raking it through. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll catch you guys when I'm almost through. Now I just wanted to come back on and show you guys how great this gel was with forming the curl pattern in the front section on my hair. So as you guys know, the front section of my hair, the pattern or the curl pattern there is unknown. I want to say unknown because it's so hard to get that part of my hair to be more curly, and this gel did the job. And I have tried using EcoStyler gel, and I've used almost all of their product, and nothing hold the front part of my hair like this did. I would highly recommend it just for that. I also want to go into how I cared for my hair during those 5 days that I did this wash and go style. I literally didn't add any more product other than the gel that you see me applying to my hair here. And all I did was in the shower, I just passed the water through my hair, pull on it a little bit and rake my finger through it just a little bit to have those curls come back alive, and that was it, and I was out the door. So if you guys ever want to see exactly how I did all of that, if you're not fully understanding what I did, let me know, and the next time I do this style I will let you guys in on exactly what I did. Also, if you guys want me to try out any other hair gel, hair products, let me know in the comment section below. So now I'm just working on the next side of my hair, and like I said, my hair was clean. I didn't have anything in it. All I did was co-wash my hair, had it in 2 braids. I didn't add any oil, any leave-in to my hair. My hair was just fresh and clean. So that is all. I didn't add any oil or anything. But this is my trick for if I don't want the gel to be as hard or spiky or like crusty. If I don't want it to be that hard or crusty on my hair personally, after I apply my gel, I add oil. Now with this gel, this was my first time using it. I didn't know how it would come out at all or how it would react with my hair, but I didn't mind the hard crustiness of it, as it kind of helped to kind of cramp my curls into place, and it was easier for me to have it last longer that way by just adding water to it. But if you want your curls to be a lot softer and not so hard and brittle to the touch, what I do for my hair is I add oil after I add my gel. That way when it dries, it doesn't have that hard coating to it. Maybe in another video I will do that as well with this gel, just to see how it reacts with my hair and how it turns out, if it would be giving me the same result as the other gels that I use and this process or method that I use. So now I'm just finishing up in the front. This is the last section, And as you guys can see on the first section in the front that I did, the curls are forming. I was so happy. I was so happy with the turnout. Like I say, the front of my hair, that section, the curl pattern, no matter how much gel I use in the front, it never used to form. It always used to look poofy and cottony and just a whole different texture from the other sections. But surprising enough, this is the section of my hair, the crown section, that grows the most, but the curls just never act together. But either way, now I'm just applying my edge control and just forming those little baby hairs that I love so much in the front, and then that will be it. When I say I think I found something, y'all, I think I found something. Look at the curls in the front. Let's not talk about the back, but look at the ones in the front. I'm just loving my curls, y'all. Just had to take a quick little video of it. Look at that. Honestly, just seeing my curls is what is actually motivating me to keep growing my hair. Maybe I'll do more washout styles more often. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, I'm out. Bye. This was a photo I took on day 2. Okay, this was a clip that I decided that, okay, you know what, I'm going to document me during this wash and go process. But this is day 3 of me wearing this style. The curls are still there, but you know, they're not as defined as the first day. But I rocked them out either way, and I still loved it. Now, this was day 5. I believe this was day 5 in the morning. Now, I didn't sleep with my bonnet on, so it kind of messed me up a bit, but this was how I styled it on the last day. Let me know what you guys think. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.